What's up, everybody? Ricky here. Today I'm going to give you 5 real estate marketing ideas that you never thought of. Okay, what's up? I'm at one of my listings. It's a 2-bedroom on the beach for $550, and I think you should take this moment to click subscribe and hit the bell because I'm posting new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to teach you how to get listings just like this one. All right, so I'm back at the studio in my house now, and I want to go through these 5 real estate marketing ideas that you never thought of. I'm just going to jump right into it here. The first thing, a marketing idea for real estate that I want you to start doing right now today is I want you to take your entire email database of all of your clients, all of your past clients, internet leads, all the emails that you have, and I want you to create a custom Facebook audience with those emails. And what that does is it creates an audience that you can name. It can be clients, it can be, whatever you want it to be, and it's in your Facebook audiences. Now when you run Facebook ads, you can run ads straight to those clients, right? And your dollars will be going just to those people in their Facebook feeds. Okay, so that's big because you know that every dollar you spend on Facebook advertising is going to go straight to people that already know you or have heard of you or are in your database, getting emails from you maybe, or whatever the case may be. This is huge because it builds brand recognition. They see your email and they see you on Facebook now. They're seeing you in both places. If they're not opening up their email, right, but they are looking at Facebook, they'll see you there. So this is big. I think a lot of you are leaving money on the table with this. Okay, tip number 2 is to combine your Instagram profile with your Facebook business page. And if you don't want to do that, create a second Instagram account just for your real estate business and combine that, make it switch it to a business account and connect it to your Facebook business page. That way, when you're running those Facebook ads to your custom audience who are already your clients, you can simultaneously run those same ads on Instagram to the same people. I think this is amazing because now if one of your clients opens up the emails, great. If they don't open up the email and they're on Facebook, they see you there. If they're not opening your emails or on Facebook, but they're on Instagram, they see you there, right? And if they open the emails on Facebook and on Instagram, they see you everywhere. This is big because I run Facebook ads connected to the Instagram account every day. I have something running to my clients. And so every day they're seeing me. And it's not always about real estate. It might be about a good place to eat. It might be about an event in the area. I'll do another video going deeper with these ideas. But for now, I just want you to know what these 5 marketing ideas are. This third marketing idea is something that I've used maybe 3 or 4 times. And it's given me huge exposure. Okay, I'll go Facebook Live. And it'll be a short, maybe 1-minute live video, maybe 1.5 minutes at the most. And it'll be me thanking everyone for their support and love over the years and how much I care about everybody and how now I'm going to give a $100 or $50 or maybe 2 different gift certificates to 2 really nice restaurants or 1 really nice restaurant. And all they have to do is comment, like, and share this post. And so what happens is I'm Facebook Live, and I tell everybody how much I care about them, and if they ever need anything in terms of real estate, feel free to reach out. I'll do everything I can do to help them. And what I want to do for you guys is I want to give away this gift card. I'm going to pick a winner in 3 days or 2 days or however long you want to make the contest for. And you're going to say all you have to do is like, comment, and share this post. Okay, from there what happens is now you can go live from your business page or your personal profile. And so either way it goes, if you do it from your personal profile, you need to share it to your business page. If you're doing it on your business page, then you're good, right? You might want to share it to your profile just so all your friends and family see it as well. But from your business profile, you're going to boost it. You're going to boost it to all those clients that are in that list, right? You're going to boost it there, and you're going to boost it to everybody in your area, the general public. You can target the demographic you want, maybe 25-year-olds and up, and you know, whatever the targeting you want to do for your area, but target and run this ad. Boost this post to your clients, your database, your custom audience that I just talked about, and to the general public in your area, right? And what happens is every time somebody shares that, the views start climbing higher and higher and higher. I had a video that was 15,000 views because of this, and so those 15,000 views saw me, saw that I cared about people, saw that I was in real estate, and that I'm here if they need anything at all. And in the text above the video, I put, you know, my name, my company, my phone number, and all that stuff. And I put the details of the contest, when I'm going to announce the winner. And then when the day comes to announce the winner, you know, I just announce it. I actually edit the post. I put it there. I put it in the comments. I tag everybody. And then I make sure they get the gift card or whatever. And it's given me huge exposure. So that's a really good one. The fourth marketing idea I want to give you guys is to do a weekly email every single week on the same day of the week forever to your entire database. This has been the glue and the foundation that has held my business together, and it keeps me relevant with everybody in my past in terms of real estate. And they know that they can call me, and you know, I'll go over the top to make sure that, you know, everything is good, and I'll do anything for them to help them, and they know that. So they get this weekly email every single week on the same day of the week forever. And what it does is it grows those relationships deeper for you without you having to really put in the work of calling all these people back. Because when it's consistent, it shows how dependable, hardworking, professional, knowledgeable that you are. And that's what people want to see. Comment below if you like the first four ideas. Tell me what you think of them. Tell me if, you know, you're going to use them and put them into action. You know, type yes, if nothing else, to tell me that you're going to try one of these ideas. So the fifth real estate marketing idea that you've probably never heard of is run ads in Instagram stories. Instagram stories is really big right now. It's really growing. People are really watching it. There's 800 million people, monthly users on Instagram. 300 million of them are watching the stories. And it's growing. This is also somewhere where there's some underpriced attention because Instagram is still trying it out, right? It's still new into the market. And when things are new and features are new and the way different platforms run their ads is a new situation, that's when you really need to take advantage of it. For example, back when Facebook Live first started, when you went live, it sent it to everybody. There were people getting 18, 20,000 views just on a regular Facebook Live, where now you get 100, right? Or 200 or something like that. So in the beginning stages is when you see the biggest growth. And I think Instagram stories, ads in the Instagram stories is something you really need to take advantage of. And you can create those stories in the Facebook Ads Manager. So those are my 5 real estate marketing ideas that you've never heard of. Click subscribe if you liked what you heard, and give me a thumbs up. All of my real estate coaching programs are 100% free. There's a link below in the description for that. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon.